Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get sword in Blox Fruits game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I've already bought a sword and I'm going to show you guys how you can get this sword. First of all, you need to go to this area and then you're going to go to the sword dealer, interact with him, and then you can get katana or the cutlass, and I've already bought the katana. And then if you want to equip the sword, you can go to the item. Wait, you can go to menu and then select items, and you can click on the backpack and then equip the sword like this. And to use it, just click on the sword and then you can use this sword to defeat the enemy, for example this bandit. Okay guys, and that's how you can get sword in the Blox Fruits game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.